Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. As you may be knowing that our today's topic happens to be pronoun and its cases. Pronoun and its cases. I have already taught you the concept of pronoun in detail when we were dealing with parts of speech. Okay?
Yes, sir.
For the sake of refreshment, let us recapitulate this word, pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is actually combination of two units. This word contains two units, or this word is made up of two units, pro and noun. Pro means for, noun means ism. Ism ke liye. Ism ke liye. In short, pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun to avoid its repetition, because we can't go on repeating a noun again and again. Once we use a noun, after that it's advisable to use a pronoun. Okay? I have already taught you, must be knowing a great deal about this. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun to avoid its repetition. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Today we shall learn its cases. It is
Yes,
there are three cases of pronoun. There are namely subjective or nominative, possessive and object. These are the three cases of pronoun. Let me write. Subjective, or this is also called nominative. Possessive, and lastly we have objective. Now let me explain it in detail so that you'll be able to understand every bit of it. Or let's try to understand the topic bit by bit. So there are three cases of the pronoun. There are three cases of pronoun called subjective or nominative, possessive and objective. If any, how many personal pronouns are there? Have you ever heard about that? How many personal pronouns are there in the English grammar? There are 7 personal pronouns. How many? 7. Namely, I, we, you, he, she, they, it. Let's repeat. Repeat with me. I, we, you, he, she, they, it. These are the 7 personal pronouns. And each of these personal pronouns has three cases. Namely, subjective, possessive, and
objective.
let me translate these terms into Urdu so that it becomes quite easy for you guys to understand, है ना? मैं इन इस्तिलाहात का जो तर्जुमा है वो उर्दू में करूंगा ताकि समझने में आपको आसानी हो। सब्जेक्टिव का मतलब होता है फ़ाइली सूरत। क्या होता है? फ़ाइली सूरत। फ़ाइली। पॉजेसिव का मतलब होता है काबिज सूरत। क्या होता है? काबिज सूरत। और ऑब्जेक्टिव इट मीन्स मफ़ऊली सूरत। क्या? मफ़ऊली सूरत। मफ़ऊली सूरत। Stop writing. Hello. You needn't copy all this until you understand it well. First you try to understand it well, then you will get plenty of time, then you have enough time to copy this. Nominative or subjective. How many personal pronouns are there? I told you a short while back, just repeat that. How many personal pronouns? 7. Like I, we, you, he, she, they. We call them 7 personal pronouns. But each pronoun has got 3 cases. Each pronoun has got 3 cases. We call them cases of pronoun. And those cases are subjective, possessive and objective. Let us write down the first. Let's write down first the 7 personal pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, they, it. Just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 pronouns are called 7 personal pronouns. And these are in nominative form. These pronouns are in the nominative form. Nominative form implies that these may happen. These may the subject of the verb. Subject of the, or in other words, when any pronoun happens to be the subject of the verb. When any pronoun happens to be the subject of the verb, in that case it's called nominative. It's called अगर इनमें से कोई pronoun subject of the verb बन जाता है, यानी फाइल, काम करने वाला, काम तो उसको कहते हैं कि ये फाइली सूरत में है या ये सब्जेक्टिव और नॉमिनेटिव सूरत में है. When any pronoun denotes possession over something, जब कोई pronoun कब्जा जाहिर करता है कि ये मेरा है, वो तुम्हारा है, माइन एंड थाइन को जाहिर करता है, उसको कहते हैं possessive यानी कॉर्डिजिव सूरत. And if any pronoun happens to be the object of the verb, if any pronoun happens to be the object of the verb,